We are now in the cold storage area for the vaccine. What you see behind me is the minus 20 degrees Celsius storage area that is just being opened before your eyes. As you can see, this is the particular section that can be used to store vaccines that require up to minus 20 degrees Celsius temperature. Moderna is one of the vaccines that we've heard about that requires up to minus 20 degrees Celsius storage. So there is a possibility for its storage here. Moderna yet to apply in India, but we are just trying to explain you how vaccine transportation and storage works. As you can see, this is the storage area for the COVID-19 vaccine labeled over here like this. The section I am standing in is used for storing vaccines that require 2 to 8 degrees Celsius of temperature. The vaccines that are currently being developed by India, for example, the Bharat Biotech vaccine, the indigenously developed vaccine, or the Serum Institute vaccine, the Oxford vaccine, that requires 2 to 8 degrees Celsius temperature storage. So the Oxford vaccines, if they work out, or the Bharat Biotech vaccines, if they work out, they will be stored here in this 2 to 8 degrees Celsius storage area. This entire area now being dedicated entirely for keeping the vaccines has meant for facilitating a temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, and the other section that we showed you was meant for minus 20 degrees. That can be used for storing vaccines like the Moderna vaccine. Now, as far as the question of storing the Pfizer vaccine is concerned, the minus 70 degrees Celsius temperature, the Delhi airport at this point of time does not have a specific area that could be used for maintaining minus 70 degrees Celsius temperature, but Pfizer in its statement to NDTV had earlier said that the thermal shippers in which we will be sending our vaccines, those can maintain a temperature of minus 70 degrees Celsius for up to 5 to 10 days unopened. So Pfizer will have to maintain its own arrangement, have to come up with its own arrangement to ensure that its vaccine can be stored and can maintain a temperature of minus 70 degrees. But here at the Delhi airport, the facilities at this point of time, either the 2 to 8 degrees Celsius in this open area where I am standing in, or the other minus 20 degrees Celsius separate freezing temperature. As you see, there's a label there that says freezing temperature minus 20 degrees Celsius, and below shows the COVID-19 vial of a vaccine. So this is another dedicated area. So these preparations here at the cargo terminal of Delhi airport for storage and transportation of the COVID-19 vaccine. This is where the aircrafts, as you can see, they will land with the shipment containers of the vaccines, and all of these trolleys will be placed here like this, and the trolleys will then be used for unloading all the shipment containers from the aircraft, and onto the trolleys the containers will be put in. As you can see, this entire area is from the cargo terminal area. As you can see, heavy security here. All of these containers that you see, similar containers with temperature controlled conditions, will be used for unloading the vaccines once they are getting off from the aircraft. We've been told that it will take 40 minutes for the processing to take place within the airport premises itself. That is, it will, once the cargo has been unloaded, once the shipment container has been unloaded from the aircraft, it will then go through the different processes within the airport, and then it will take 40 minutes for it to reach the delivery area where the trucks will be parked to receive all of these containers and then head to different parts of the country. So this is the preparation. This is what the situation will look like when the shipment containers of the vaccines actually arrive from the airports. We are now showing you the cold chain movement within the airport premises. As you can see, these are the kind of roller belts on which the containers that will be containing the vaccines, they will be moved on roller belts like these from one point to another. Once they've been taken off the aircraft, they will be taken to the delivery area. As you can see, this container moving. So this is how big containers carrying vaccines, big heavy containers carrying vaccines will be moved from one point of the airport to another, and all of this cold chain movement will be done in a temperature controlled manner. As you can see, all of these cold chambers have 2 to 8 degrees Celsius of temperature. Even after the shipment containers have been received, there are cold chain points within the airport premises that will be used for the movement of these containers and in order to maintain their temperatures. So as part of the cold chain, this is one area we are entering which has a temperature of minus 4 to minus 20 degrees Celsius. This is an area that will be used for containers that need up to minus 20 degrees Celsius temperature to be maintained. This, as you can see, is a warehouse. Currently the temperature here is about minus 18 degrees Celsius, and constantly a temperature of about minus 18 to minus 20 degrees Celsius, around that temperature range is used to maintain temperature in this entire area. So even after the containers have been received from the aircraft, it will be constantly ensured that that temperature is maintained, and all of the containers can be kept in areas like these. So one were the roller belts, where 2 to 8 degrees Celsius temperature can be maintained, and the other are areas like this where the temperature can be from minus 4 to minus 20 degrees Celsius. So even vaccines like Moderna, which require up to minus 20 degrees Celsius temperature, for them also temperature can be maintained in storehouses like these, which have been made inside the Delhi airport.